Hello, my friends. I'm going to be doing a flip cup today, but first I'd like to show you a couple of things. Last night I was using some leftovers, and I just added some silicone to it and did a flip cup. And it reminded me that I really like this kind of organic look. Now this particular one, I almost see an animal shape in there, so I'm going to save it and embellish it with a wild animal of some kind. So I'm looking forward to that being dry. It's not dry yet, but it's just a super easy and effective looking pour. So that reminded me that I had done this one years ago also, and I didn't like it at first, but it has really grown on me, and I rather love it now. I call it Alien Ocean. Now, I had a little problem with it. It was in my car, leaning up against something else, and it stuck to the other canvas, and so it chipped. And this is actually a little flap. So I need to just touch that up with paint. It wouldn't be seen, but I can't sell something like that. So, but this is how I used to do my the backs of these type of paintings. I would apply a black poster board, sign it in white, and then attach a sawtooth hanger. I don't do this anymore. I now, on these deep canvases, I will tape it off before I pour. It's so much easier. This was a lot of work. I mean, I think it looks really nice and neat. I even added these little felt deals there, but it was a lot of work. So if I always try to remember to tape the backs now before I pour. So anyway, that's it. And these are the colors I'm going to try to duplicate today, something similar to that. I don't know what I used, but I'm guessing. So we'll see what happens. But I want to also show you, and those were made Floetrol, I'm sure. This one has a whole different look to it. I didn't do this was long before I had a video or a channel, so there's no video, but this was made with glue and a pouring medium like Liquitex, I think, and water to get these shape cells. You can't get this look without using glue, I think, in my estimation. So anyway, and I have done a lot with this recipe you can find in my playlist. But what I want to show you was that I took a picture of this, and I had some clothing made out of it. And check this out. This is a kimono. It's on my clothing website, which is listed down below, in this with this artwork, and I think it's so pretty. Anyway, really fun, and I thought you might enjoy seeing that. I'm going to move this safely out of the way, my kimono and that painting, because I'm about to get messy here with today's pour. Now today I'm using all Artist Loft products. I'm using Artist Loft paints, Artist Loft pouring medium, and Artist Loft silicone. I don't think I've ever done that before. I'm trying to use up my oddball things I have laying around. I have used this pouring medium before, and it's almost gone, but I don't remember that I loved it. So I don't know what to expect. I'm assuming I'll get kind of a look, the real organic looking, but we shall see. So I've added 1 drop of silicone to each of these colors, and the colors are gold. I didn't do any custom mixing. Brilliant blue, deep magenta, light violet, I think that one is, metallic black, and white. So 1 drop of silicone in each of those colors. And let's see what happens. This is just a 10 by 10 inch canvas. I'm thinking I have plenty of paint. Start with the white. I'll do kind of a dirty pour. Okay. Lots of cells already happening. Torch out. Lots of action. Whoa, look at that. They look pretty good right now, the shapes and everything. But I'm expecting them to get all out of shape as I tilt, but I don't know. Let's see. I mean, of course, they're going to change shape. Never mind. I don't know what I'm saying. Just watch. I like this dark. I hope I can hang on to some of that. In fact, let's see. If that'll help any. Seems to be. Yeah, it's getting weird, like I want it actually. I'm liking this quite a bit. Just got to send it over the side there. It's a lot of white. Too much. I'm going to send a lot of that off. There, I don't mind if it's in a corner there. Let me cover this corner and then I'll size it up, composition, and make some changes. Okay. Well, I'm getting some really weird shapes, which I like. My gold did not really come through. Still too much white. I'm going to tilt some of that off, some more of that off. It's weird. I like it. I've said this many times, but I find that if you just tilt the heck out of something, you can often really improve a piece and get some good effects. Don't give up too soon. Okay. I think I'm very pleased with this. Let me quickly bring that other one over, and it's certainly not a duplication of it, but the colors are there, except for the gold. I had a lot more gold in this one. I'm going to hit it with the torch again and see if I can pull up some of these tiny little cells. But it's very much what I was going for. I like it. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, I love this section down here. I can't wait to show you up close. Okay. Okay, and she keeps going. All right. I love it. Let me bring you in. And friends, I want to remind you, today is the last day of my 3-day website sale. CHRISTINEJ.com. Oh, I love the blue. That is a gorgeous blue, brilliant blue, Artist Loft. And see all the sprinkling of all those tiny little cells within cells, and I just think that is really fun. And down here is what I was oohing and eyeing about. Isn't that a fun section? I think I'm going to do this again on a really large canvas, but different colors, of course. But I just find it fascinating. All right, my friends, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.